Hey everyone, just wanted to show you this van. I don't know if he's going to be up to it or not, but this is the two Dutchies
and she's not aggressive
on the move.
But I've had her forever. No,
They're running a Fiat.
She's not scared.
No,
That's when,
and they're from the Netherlands.
Heeft u naar de foto?
Ik had 3 keer Jaap gehad.
Oh, she made 3 pictures already. Hey, and what's her name?
Ruby. Ruby.
Is it a her or?
Well, we guess it's a her, but usually it takes a DNA test to, unless they
see.
lay eggs, and she's never.
Oh, she never produced
She's never
eggs.
at 30 years. You would scared. Yeah, pound.
She's not really.
But this is a cockatoo. This is not a parakeet.
That is a.
That's an African gray.
I see.
That's and there are 2 species, and that's a Congolese from Congo.
And how long have you had her?
About 10 years.
Oh, that's long.
That's a long time.
Well, this is, to keep the mosquitoes out.
Right.
We had
These
a rolling one, but that broke.
Yep.
So you guys put this on a boat?
Yes.
Yeah, from Antwerp to Halifax.
How much did that cost?
Less 3,000 euros approx. It's about 3.5, 3,700 dollars.
That's
It's cheaper than.
$2,000 or $3,000 less than it goes from Seattle to Alaska.
The chairs, they swivel around. We have them like this because we're not going to sit inside anyway. It's a 6-shift. It's a 2.3 liter diesel engine, turbo diesel.
You guys keep it nice and clean. I love it.
Yeah, we try to. This one can be moved. You can take it away in a minute or less than that if you want to the table.
Right.
We can. This is a nice trick. Let me see here.
Have you been to the Sand?
Oh yeah. Adds extra
So you can
space.
and put it in various positions like that.
Oh yeah.
So if, for instance, in the morning I'm making breakfast and I need to put things away,
That's awesome.
I use it like that. Our boys here, things that we picked up along the way. This is.
Oh, so you have been to Alaska?
Oh yeah, we have. Absolutely. This is not ours. Some motorcycle drivers from Brazil. They gave that to us, but that was when we were crossing the border from the Yukon to Alaska. They were there. They were making pictures, and we were making pictures as well.
Those are big vans.
A roof hatch, I think you call it.
Oh, wow.
And this one here, we have a lot of storage here to put things in. This
storage.
one, we put all kinds of things in there.
All your books, all your manuals, all
Yes.
of that fun stuff. Oh yeah, look at that.
And this one here,
Man.
and here.
And it's got the slow locks.
Yeah. Well, originally there was only this one, and then you had to pull it, but that went broke. So I got a new one. About 5 of them, and I went to IKEA and had these. I bought these and put them on. So you pull on this one and you just lock it with that. Here, high up, which is an advantage because then you can see what you're doing.
Oh yeah.
And we're not 20 anymore, so bending down is a hassle. I put those aluminium shells in there myself because there was a hanging closet, and that's not very handy.
Yeah.
So you can put in a lot of stuff, and then now the big secret here is this is the toilet, and if you this is pretty hard for you to see. If you stand there, I close this one and I open it again and I'll tell you. So
Right.
here I have a.
They've already been Cyrus.
Wow.
That's a shower.
It's a full
Wall.
shower.
And we have a shower curtain right here. If you close that, you have a retractable hose and you can take a shower.
Awesome.
You know, we don't do that every day, of course. because
Yeah.
That's a little bit of a hassle, but it works, you know.
I'm assuming that's all storage up there.
Yeah, there. I have.
Under the mirror too. Yeah. All right.
You see?
Yeah.
So that works very nice. And then here we have two length
Yeah.
beds, which is an advantage because if one of us has to go to the bathroom at
Yeah.
night, you don't, and that happens, you know, if you're over 55 or 60,
Exactly.
then the one doesn't have to wake up the other by crawling over each other.
Plenty of storage through here.
Oh yeah, that's her
And then
clothing, and that's my clothes.
And
And
then-
a fantastic fan, but this was
Yeah.
a lot better. I installed that in February in Phoenix at the place of people that we met in the Baja. Another thing is important, we have solar on the roof. Do you have solar?
Yep.
You do.
Yep. How many amps do you have?
I think 150.
Amp hours.
Yeah. You can see we're completely filled up. This is the household battery. This is the the driving part battery.
Start
And
battery.
then here you see the water. We have 75% of the water. We have 100 liters, and this is the waste. I would like. I don't have that. Is a camera.
Yeah.
I don't have that.
A reverse.
But here,
camera.
you can. If you.
Oh yeah,
you
that's
film
a
here,
slide
you're-
out, ain't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
So 2 crates on the right and 2 crates on the left.
Yeah.
And I put that in myself. That didn't come with. So I can just.
Yep.
There's no way that it
Keeps them locked in.
Yep. And then here I have another 2 that slide out.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Awning on the side, and well here we have the bike rack, which we took the bikes back in March. It was too much of a hassle. We didn't use it a lot,
Yeah.
and they got filthy. You know, the sprockets and the chain. All you know, in territory like this, you know, we did probably a couple of 100 miles on dirt roads.
Yeah.
Took you an hour to clean it up.